Hello everyone, so this is the first video of our Google Earth Engine beginner series. In this video I will teach you how to register in Google Earth Engine for the first time for non-commercial account. Okay, so for that purpose you firstly need to go into their official site, which is code.googleearthengine.com. There would be two options available. If you want to create a new project, or if you have already authorized an existing cloud project. So as you are new and you want to register in non-commercial account, so you need to select I want to register into a new project. So as you would click on it, so you would be able to register in non-commercial account. So as this link will open, there would be two options: register for commercial use and whether you are eligible for non-commercial use. So you need to register for non-commercial use. As you will click on it, it will ask from you that select your organization type, in which you need to select your organization from the multiple options. Even you are public or private, or you are using it commercial or education purpose, so you need to click choose the option which is suitable for you. Then you need to click on next, and then you need to check non-commercial eligibility, in which they will ask from, even if you are using it for money earning, or so you need to select no here. And then they will ask from you that if you are creating your project in Earth Engine for scientific research or some other options, so you need to click on scientific research. Okay, so then they ask from you what is your research project. So in my case, as I am using it for your training, so I am typing here for the land use and land cover, and then they will ask from you what is the geographic scope of your project. Is it regional or global? So you can select any of the option from you, and then they will ask another question, that have you ever published any research using Google Earth Engine. So if you worked on any research, you can select no. If you're not, then you can select no. So as you are a beginner, obviously you don't you select no here. Okay, so then you choose, then you firstly check your eligibility. So according to my answers, I am eligible for the non-commercial usage, and then you choose your plan. Even if you are contributor or you are using it for community, there are two scenarios. If you are using it for contributor, then you need to have a billing account, active billing account. So in my case, I am selecting the community plan, and then you need to click on next, and then you need to describe your work. You need to select any of the suitable option you can choose from here, or you can select what I have selected, and then you need to select the field in which you will use Google Earth Engine. So I'm using it for urban planning and so on, and then you need to click on next and review your summary. This is about what options you have selected before, and then you need to click on register. In a few minutes you need to click on enable API, and then your Google Earth Engine API against your account will be enabled. So now you have created your, so now from now you are able to use Google Earth Engine for your non-commercial usage. And this is the overview of Google Earth Engine. And if you want to use Google Earth Engine, so you now need to open Google Earth Engine in a fresh page by using the link of core.earthengine.google.com. So now you have registered in Google Earth Engine for the first time, and you have registered in a non-commercial account, and from now you can use Google Earth Engine for your analysis by using your non-commercial account. So that's it for today.